Hello everyone, thank you everyone for watching my video. In this video I'm going to talk about how you guys can promote affiliate product to the YouTube. Okay, so this is very simple and you don't need many things and you don't need to complicate it for yourself. Okay, just uh, stay until the end of this video and you will see step by step that how I promote my ClickBank product to the YouTube. Okay, it's very simple. Just need to open an account with ClickBank. If you already have an account, it's great. Going to Marketplace. Okay, and once you go to Marketplace, you choose the niche that you want to uh, choose and select the product. I normally I like to test every product as much as product as I can. Okay, and this time because in the YouTube I found some um, good fitness and this kind fitness and health, and I want to promote this product. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to health and fitness, and I will promote this product. I go to gravity. Gravity means you choose the best product that converting well. As you guys can see, 76% converting sale at this time. Okay, so you get like I think 90% commission and you will get it. Okay, so it does looks very good product. I'm going to simply get the link from this product. I put some um, tracking ID code, maybe health. Okay, health. This is my tracking ID. I get, as you guys can see, this is my tracking ID, health. I put the word and the last of this link, so I can simply recognize my link. So I copy this link. I close it. I go to YouTube channel. I found the health and fitness. Simply go to the YouTube and type health and fitness. Okay, once you type this one on the YouTube search, you just find so many health and fitness uh, channel that you guys can go and ask for permission to put your link on the description of those videos. Okay, every channel upload a new video. Simply you choose one channel and asking for permission to put your link on the video. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to this channel, because I can see this is very popular channel. It's 1 million views, of so many views, so I can definitely going to try and ask this um, channel if they can give me a permission that I can promote my link. Okay, alright, so what I have to do is here I got to the channel. Alright, I think she's good. She's having a great channel and so many views for her channel. She must be so activate for his channel. Okay, I'm going to the channel as I told you guys, and I'm going to about when I go to about, I can see the description of this girls that promote fitness and health kind of things, and I'm going to choose the product, the email. I take the email from I take her email. Okay, what happened? Okay, I'll go and copy this email, and I'm going to email and ask her about permission to give me the permission to promote my link on the video. Okay, so what I have to do is I go to my email. Alright, okay, so this is her email. I'm going to ask her as you guys can see, I just put my subject business. Okay, hello dear uh, hello dear, I am very interesting to promote, right, interesting to promote affiliate link on your channel, or maybe in the first, if he wants to just uh, to talk to her, I think that's okay. Just take it simple. I mean, you need to send so many email to the channels, because some of them are not gonna reply you, and you need to change the topic every time and ask differently from them. Okay, I just take it simple this time. I'm very interested to promote affiliate link on your channel. Please let me know your price. Okay, that's it. I just send it business. Alright, and she's gonna get receive the email. Maybe she's reply or not, but the most important not that you put your time on this kind of in one channel. You need to send so many email to other channels as much as you can, that you can get that you guys can get the reply from them and get a good price. And once you get the price, just simply, as I told you, you got your link already here, and you copy the link and paste it to the for example, it was health. Yeah, so send it to the to the channel, and they gonna promote this link to the to their video. Okay, and if you the most important thing is, if you get a good converting sales from them, try to keep your business longer with them, and stay on the long run with them, so you don't have to looking for another channel or miss that person that you know you need to make a good relationship with them. So keep in mind, and hope you guys got some benefit from this video. So that's how I promote my affiliate link to the YouTube channel. Okay, it's very simple. You don't need to uh, make it complicated for yourself. Just go and select your product and promote on the uh, channel, and just send so many email as much as you can, that you get at least few reply, and just once you get with them, once you you know get reply with them, try to make and the relationship for a long, okay, or for your business relationship for long, okay. That's how you can earn some good commission, and you can look for a long-term relationship business with them, okay. That's how I do. So I recommend you guys do it the same. So thank you everybody for watching my video. If you guys didn't subscribe, I highly recommend subscribe to my YouTube channel, because once the channel is grow, your knowledge is gonna grow, and you will get to the point that you can make money online, and you don't need to you know make it complicated for yourself. It's free. You don't need pay for any courses or something. I give you so much value on my free YouTube channel videos, and hit the notification bell every time when I upload a new video. I show you how you can promote affiliate product from so many other affiliate program, and you guys can get earn good commission, okay. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please thumbs up the video, and if you guys have any question, uh, please give your thoughts and comments on the comment button down below, and I will definitely reply you. And thank you so much for everybody for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next video.